Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue to paint the winter owls. Let's get started. We'll be using only ink for this painting. The snowy owl is also known as the polar owl, white owl, or the Arctic owl. It is native to Arctic region. For that reason, the plumage is white, which is the perfect camouflage in that region. For that reason, I think that it's suitable for a Chinese painting because we can always use ink. The eyes of the owls are yellow, that looks like cats, but I'm painting these owls with eyes closed. I'm not sure if they really were sleeping or just close their eyes when they are resting or don't bother to be seen, but they look really cute in this posture. They look like they were smiling. Snowy owl isn't white. There are some dusky spotting, which I'm using ink and fanning my brush to paint the feather. I'm going to paint another one here. I will start with the hat and then create an outline of the hat with small feather. When you paint a second bird, you want it to look a little different. This one is also front facing, but tilt its hat a little bit so that it looks slightly different, and they are cute, aren't they? Owls means fortune and luck in Japanese culture. In this new year, I wish you all luck and filled with love in your life. Now I'm switching to use a large brush to paint a large tree branch for the birds to perch on. The snowy owls is the largest North American owls measured by weight. That's why I need something strong to support them, otherwise they don't look real. For the smaller branches and small leaves, you may use a small brush to paint if you're not comfortable of using a large brush. But I just like the raw look of what I can do with a large brush, so I'm using it for the rest of the painting, except for the feet. For the feet, you have to make sure that the large branch is almost dried. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. I'll see you next time.